Sngew Iahap myntri peit Iaki jngohkai pyrthei Bah Paul Lyngdoh Iaka Pynmih da kedisi ban Phah Khang Lut Iaki Dukan baroh Haka Baje da kaba ong baki briew ki shngaiñ iaid Haka mynmiet namar plie ki Dukan bat ula ong ba ula de pynsngew halor kane myntri rangbah bat symbud myntri rangbah.
On this, I have already brought this to the attention of the CM and the Deputy CM in charge home. Deputy CM in charge home has convened a meeting tomorrow at a very high level, and we expect things to change based on the proceedings of tomorrow's meeting. In fact, if with due respect to the sir concerned, when you have shops and everything is open, then there is more safety. You feel more safe when shops around are open, when malls are open, then people can walk and feel safer. When everything is shut, how do you instill that sense of confidence that everything is normal? See, the stray incidents are always there. Not only in Shillong, they also happen in New York, they happen in Paris. Doesn't mean that you close everything down. Jo, namar kani ka bangi let menta, bangi encourage you homestay. Si hajar tali. Kalau san hajar mut ki kam nang ne, sis nam bro, kada ki jingkerku. Te ka economy yang kita kisah kan kiyo. Nang ta what ki bedie, di Waidong, aduk bedie so, kiru kiyo anam naga jing 100 visitors. Te ka image ke jongi, kani ka bangi lek entah pa kum ka kendai lah, ingin declare kum ka pedestrian zone, ini ka jaka iaid jongi briew, ka iaid kejap. Te la ketuhi kalong ba ngin penkelai ka kum ba pikran mentan, ketu ngin penkelai ka sika pedestrian zone ka pakin dan dulu ki bus gas, ini gini ginam tem. Te kiru kiyo employment. Te lada niya hanglut ya baroh kok je te ini kerja nak no.
Sakawai ka
Ja ini punca tan Shillong. Kijah Shawai, kijah New York, kijah Paris, kijah haki ini ki zi kepala saya baru tu kamut ba ki kano Iaki. Baik kan gohati mencuat briew ki na gohati ki kiyo panwan ki Shillong. Mentara bun sih nang Shillong ki balik kaji gohati. Balik ba kiyo banyak kiyo ban recreational facilities kebun ki briew ki pam ke alji ni ki family ki tadi ki ka sor ke jungi ga ka state jungi ka depan pau shabar but ni being create tu ada pressure ba ka kari cakap orang safe pengirun boleh ni lor ka dash teng spoji de kini briew ko mynt kin lechno tilada Shikali kilet krembam kini pagi na ong mush tonga sorry.